Our relation with UPS now is multi-year from a history perspective, or goes back to a couple of years now. And we started with having people from UPS to our side. When we got people from UPS, one distinctive quality that we learned of these students was that they knew way more than students coming out of many other universities, and were smarter when it comes to the overall awareness of what works and what does not work in software. So I am assuming it is all the existing specializations that were empowering them to have that relevant knowledge and connect with the community. Our intent of adding these two courses is that when we got these people on board, and multiple others from other universities as such, and when we meet people from other universities, the subtle gaps in what they today know and what perhaps is missing happens to be these core capabilities around DevOps, which covers most things cloud to most things full stack software development, from a continuous delivery pipeline and integration specs, and alongside big data. I mean, data is the new oil, and it is as big or bigger than what value oil perhaps is providing as the industry is saying. With digital growing to the next level, the number of users using digital platforms to consume services, be it on mobile, tablet and so forth, this ever increasing need to tame this data and have the right knowledge and capabilities to store, process and harness the power out of this data is something that we intend to teach and enable people who join the big data specialization course.
The last question.
I love your campus. I wish I could have also studied in a campus as beautiful and as secluded as yours. Infrastructure is great. I think that's a big plus that I give to UPS for having maintained great quality specs and good capabilities that should enable people to learn, for those who want to learn, and alongside has the right environment for learning across. It is not in the middle of the city. I mean, a lot of teachers whom I have met, they really are up to date with what is happening or are eager to learn what is happening. And alongside, I see a great thrust coming from the top level of the university. I mean, it's not something that you are expecting, or at least I wasn't expecting, where the dean to the chancellor to everybody is deep into making an impact into the region. When that is a notion, it only drives us or encourages us more to make an impact or deliver quality education, which in hand can actually help us also hire in the near future. And if we are hiring, I can assume the world is also hiring them.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.